Guys, now that Bitcoin reached our price target of $50,000 to $51,000, the question is, are the bears going to take over from now and we have to expect a huge correction, maybe even till the end of this evening? Or are the bulls going to continue this uprun to new all-time highs in the near future? I have a new price target actually already in mind with the breakout we saw earlier today. So if you don't want to miss out on any of this important information, then stick around till the very end of this video, because I will also give you a big updates on my trades now that we saw this amazing breakout this morning. And I mean, we can expect another breakout till later today. So like I said, I'm 100% sure that you don't want to miss out on this upload. So just stick around. And as always, guys, just give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, activate the bell, and leave a comment down below if you want to support me. And other than that, like I said, or I started to say, I'm also going to give you big updates on my trades in this video, just because I'm going to take profits and also maybe scale back up a little bit again in the very near future. But let's just jump right into the charts, guys. Actually, as we can see, Bitcoin formed a beautiful bull flag on the 4-hourly time frame. We already broke out of this bull flag. This bull flag breakout target is not reached yet, as you guys can see. If we take the pole of the bull flag, we can estimate that the breakout target would be around $52,000. That we haven't reached yet. And if you don't take the small bull flag pole, but rather the big one, which is also definitely a possibility, but it's just a little bit more unlikely that the Bitcoin bulls will reach this price target. But if we take a look at that, Bitcoin could even pump up to $55,000, and all of this I'm going to expect to be, I mean, if we reach this price target, the $55,000 level, I'm assuming this will happen actually in the next 2 days. If the bulls are strong enough to do so, I think we will see a bigger short squeeze, and we would be able to pump up to $55,000. At this price point, I would definitely start taking some profits. If we should reach the $55,000 level in the next couple of days, I would definitely take profits and wouldn't scale my positions back up again after reaching $55,000 until we break the all-time high actually. So that's one thing you should definitely keep in mind. And also, there's no guarantee that we reach the price target of the bull flag for sure. I mean, if we take a look at the bigger time frames, the daily is looking good, and so on. So there's not that much in our way of reaching this $55,000 price target, but we still are now finally getting back into our big consolidation phase, this 3 months consolidation phase, and we can definitely expect that Bitcoin will have some harder times getting through this, since we have significant horizontal resistance in those areas where we had a past trading volume, especially if we had a lot of it in this price range. But if we go back to the smaller time frames, the 4-hourly, we can also see that Bitcoin is somewhat now forming a broadening wedge. This broadening wedge would for sure also be a continuation pattern, in my opinion, in this strong run-up that we have at the moment. The only thing we would need to expect at this point of time would be maybe a drop down to $50,000 or $94,500 before reversing and breaking up to the upside. So what I'm really looking at to determine if we are going to see a bearish scenario or not is pretty simple. I'm just taking a look if we break this bull flag support again to the downside. As long as Bitcoin finds support on this bull flag, I'm very sure we're good to go to reach the $55,000 in a very near future. But like I said, we should definitely keep in mind that if this support would not hold, that it's definitely time to scale down the positions, take some profits, and wait maybe for a confirmation of the symmetrical triangle on the daily chart before deciding on what to do next. But as always, guys, I would really appreciate it if you would give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and activate the bell. Write a comment if you want to support me. Share the video. That would help me out a lot till my YouTube channel, my new English one, is finally in the ranking. And other than that, I wish you a very, very successful week and a very good start into the week. And we will see us latest tomorrow. If the Bitcoin price does something crazy today, maybe later in a second upload. As you know, sometimes I even upload 3 videos a day. But yesterday, for example, I didn't upload a video. video. Why? Because Bitcoin just did what we predicted in the last video. So there was not really anything to talk about besides, yes, we predicted this and we already know this, knew this was going to happen. So yeah, nothing too exciting with that. But yeah, see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.